Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I am not sure it was a good idea for Umusa to send Umbali as the messenger to Khumalo, because one thing about Umbali, guys, she is going to put it the way it is. She is not going to try and sugarcoat things to make Umusa Mselegu sound engati he's sincere. Because in the trailer of this week's episode, we see Umbali telling Khumalo ukuthi Umusa said phela ukuthi wena u-acta kanje because you feel fanele akwenze umamkhulu akuchazele yonke into. I'm just like, you see le nkulumo shame, I just feel like it's going to make Khumalo even more mad. It's going to make her even like more rebellious. If Umusa thinks she's rebellious, like, listen, there's no comeback from this. And you know what's the funny thing is that Umusa is the one who made Khumalo. He kind of did make Khumalo umamkhulu in a sense, because he was discussing all of these things with Khumalo, and hence the other wives did not like Khumalo because of Umusa Mseleko. And I feel like something that the public has always been saying is evident in what uMangwabe is saying, which is that Umusa Mseleko is the one that makes his wives fight. Because how can he be saying such things? Tomorrow already Umatsele goes on about Yena, here is Tina, that she hits Umayeni with and whatnot. Now she's going to be speaking about Khumalo, saying ukuthi vele Khumalo wayefuna uzenza umamkhulu. Or the same thing that she said about Umayeni, that Khumalo ochaye ekhandeni lakhe ucabanga ukuthi ungumamkhulu. I'm just like, this man, sometimes as you think of the things that come out of his mouth, and guys, I don't think Khumalo and Umusa are fine at this point, because it was Khumalo's birthday few days ago. He did not post her. Khumalo was celebrating a new position few days ago, or few weeks, about a week ago, if I'm not mistaken. He did not post her. I'm just like, hey, anyway, I can't wait rather for this week's episodes. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.